Oh, it's finally here. The item that I have been waiting months for has finally arrived. So let's unbox it. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today's video, we are unboxing something that I have been waiting for a long time. So let's get into it. But before I get started with today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday on luxury content, men's style, luxury unboxings, you name it, it's here on this channel. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see what is in this little brown box, then keep on watching. So I had pre-ordered this item on May 7th and I had waited a little bit over 2 months for this item to arrive. And my order actually ended up getting canceled. My CA had reached out to me letting me know that my order was unfillable and that she would be processing a refund for it. I could not take that as an answer, so I called client services and I was talking to one of the CAs there and she was able to place a back order for me. She said there's no guarantee that I'm going to be able to get this item because right now it's showing that everywhere is completely sold out, but she's going to do her best and she's going to just place the back order for me. So usually back orders usually take about 2 weeks before they're able to actually potentially get fulfilled. And within that 2-week time frame, if it doesn't get fulfilled, then the order ultimately gets canceled. So it was nearing the 2-week mark. So I was like, oh my God, I'm never going to get this item. It's going to just cancel my order because I'm literally like a couple days before the 2-week mark had approached. So lo and behold, a couple days ago, the item went from pending product availability to in preparation, and I was extremely ecstatic. I was like, oh my God, I might be actually getting it. And then just the other day it went to ship status and here it is in my hands right now. So overall, the process of me getting this item was about 2.5 months, but it was 2.5 months of complete stress. I know, first world problems, but still, I really wanted this piece. I saw it on the Louis Vuitton lookbook and I just screamed at me. Like it just screamed at me and I don't know how to say it. So I really just wanted this item. Without further ado, let's just get into the unboxing because I am super excited to show you guys this piece. So when you order online from Louis Vuitton, you do get the brown box, as I did mention. It does have all of my information plastered here. So I'm gonna just quickly open it on this side. So I did have to sell a couple items to be able to purchase this item just because I have a surprise that I want to share with all of you. I just haven't filmed that video yet. So once you see the surprise, you're going to understand what it is. But opening it up, you do see that the Louis Vuitton is greeting. And then opening it up, you get the two items. So the first, well, it's a one item, sorry. So it is an SLG. It does come in this box right here. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and show you what's inside here. Although I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar what's inside. This is just the receipts and a return and exchange. So it gives you the thank you for shopping at Louis Vuitton card. And then it gives you instructions on how to go about doing a return or exchanging it. And then it gives you, it gives you the receipt. So this does cost about 650 Canadian dollars, and just after tax it was 745 Canadian dollars. So it was quite expensive. But anyways, let's just get into the actual item itself. So let's open up the ribbon. Okay. Any guesses as to what this might be? If you follow me on Instagram, you're probably going to know because I just constantly was talking about this piece. So opening it up, I'll give you guys a little peek first. Ooh, do you see it? So this is going to be this is the LV by NBA pocket organizer in the basketball green leather I'm absolutely obsessed with this. The minute that I saw this piece, I was like, oh my God, this screams LV and NBA collab. It literally looks like a basketball to me, and I'm just completely shook. So you do get the NBA logo here. And then this is the ball green leather. It feels so soft. So this is kind of like my very first Empreinte leather piece from Louis Vuitton. So you do get, it's exactly the same as regular pocket organizers. You do get the back slot here, and it is made out of one piece of canvas. And then opening it up on the inside, you do get that nice black leather material. And then it does say Louis Vuitton made in France, and then it has the LV and NBA logoing there. So because this was produced before, after February of 2021, these actually do not have any date codes on it, which is great. It has the NFC chip, if I'm not mistaken. So you also do get the 2 cards. Let's just show you what they are. So if you wanted to know, the product code is M80545. And then this whole thing is made out of cowhide leather. It literally says all cowhide leather. So I'm super excited to have this piece into my collection. I think that this is gonna be like a huge staple. I think like I mentioned before, I'm really into collecting limited edition pocket organizers, especially from Louis Vuitton. I have a couple of them in my collection now, and I'm just super happy that I was able to add this into my collection. So I actually wanted to just do a quick comparison of the two. So this one is actually from the second drop of the NBA collab. NBA has a 3-year partnership with Louis Vuitton. So there's going to be one more drop after this one, which I see coming out in late next year, most likely. But I have the first drop one as well. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the first one that I have looks like. This is the very first collection from the LV and NBA collab. It was very simple, very monogram, with the NBA colors on the inside. Exact same layout both of them have. They both have the pocket at the back. And then this is what they look like in the front. They're both the exact same size. They're literally the exact same pocket organizer, just in different prints. And then both of them have, on the inside, they have the 3 card slots on the one side, like so. And then the X card slots here. So both of these are from the NBA collab. I'm super excited to have these. I think that the NBA collab is going to be really sought after in the future, and I just think that these are a staple in any limited edition collection. My limited edition collection is very small, as I've mentioned, but I'm just dabbling. I just started. I used to just collect a lot of the signature pieces, and now I feel as though I have a lot of signature pieces. I can start expanding my collection into limited editions. So these are what the 2 pocket organizers look like. In the first collab, they did have one that was all white. I did try to get that one. However, that one was sold out really quickly. I think they sold out on pre-orders, and it's similar with this one. I was so happy that they were able to place a back order for me on this. And they did come with a second pocket organizer as well for the drop 2. However, I wasn't a huge fan of it just because it was completely like all black, and then it had like patches of like different NBA kind of like stickers, which I wasn't a huge fan of. I really saw this one and I was like, oh my God, this screams NBA and basketball. So I just wanted to pick up this one. But yeah, I just wanted to share a quick comparison of the 2 drops that they currently have had for pocket organizers for the LV and NBA collab. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. This was my quick unboxing of my new LV by NBA Drop 2 pocket organizer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.